Hey, this is Adam. In this video, I'm going to teach you about possessive pronouns, which are a little bit different than possessive adjectives in that adjectives can't stand on their own, but pronouns can. Briefly, the difference is my versus mine. My is an adjective, mine is a pronoun. So in this video, we're going to talk about the possessive pronouns, and I'm going to teach you how to form them in Spanish. Possessive pronouns represent what is owned. They don't represent the owner, but that which is owned. For example, in English, we say mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. These are the possessive pronouns in English. So they look like this in Spanish. Mío, tuyo, suyo, nuestro, and suyo. Now, many times you have the definite article in front, el, la, los, or las, which comes to the next point. Ojo means attention. They can be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural because they represent nouns, and nouns can be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. So they have to agree in number and gender. For example, if I say this, mi mochila es gris, and I respond, or somebody else responds, la mía es azul. La mía represents la mochila, mine. Mine is blue. My backpack is gray. Mine is blue. Okay? La mía es azul. So la mochila is feminine and it's singular, so both of these, la mía, has to be feminine singular. Another example would be ¿cuál es su coche? Which is their car? El suyo es el rojo. Now this is important because the question is which is their car? El suyo es el rojo. They obviously is plural, but I respond in singular. Why did I do that? Because I'm not talking about them. Su takes care of them, but el suyo represents their car, singular, is the red one. So which is their car? Theirs is the red one. And then a last example would be something like this. Ese lindo cachorro es mi bebé. That adorable puppy is my baby. A response could be, pero el nuestro es mucho más precioso que el tuyo. But ours is much more precious than yours. El tuyo represents el cachorro. The most important thing, the ending has nothing to do with who owns it. The ending agrees with whatever is owned. If you have any questions, list them down there in the comments and I'll get back to you.